Well, some residents in the city and south suburbs spent the day cleaning up after those heavy rains brought massive flooding.
WGN's Sean Lewis has the latest from Calumet City, one suburb especially hard hit.
Yeah, we are now more than 24 hours since these heavy rains fell here in the south suburbs, and here in Calumet City, you can see a lot of what it left behind. This is Stewart Avenue right here. 24 hours ago, this was still a river, I'm told. Feet of water, a lot of the damage you can still see on the garage doors from the water pushing and damaging those doors. We still have a lot of high standing water that is slowly going down, and a lot of debris on the sidewalks and in the streets. Residents here in Cal City and among the many other south suburbs impacted by these storms will have weeks, if not months, of cleanup ahead. In Calumet City, the south suburb was one of many hit hard by nature. Upwards of 8, perhaps as many as 10 inches of rain fell fast on Sunday.
Faster than we like.
Steve Janikis and his neighbors are now on cleanup duty. Overwhelmed sewers sent feet of water into the streets, damaging garages and flooding basements.
And rain was everywhere, man. I don't know how it was coming down. I just know it was coming down, and there was a lot of it.
Craig Williams was just getting home when the rain began to fall on Sunday.
Sun pump went out. It was working fine. And then all I know, I was upstairs for a minute, came back downstairs, the whole basements were flooded.
Today, 2 pumps are now working to get that water out. In fact, just down the street, FEMA opened up a disaster recovery center last week at the Cal City Library. But workers here are helping residents with claims from flooding that happened in late June and early July, in which a federal disaster declaration was already made.
This whole region has problems with flooding.
Those overseeing the city's engineering say the system simply was not built for so much water at once.
A lot of these sewers are 50, 60, 70 years old and they're collapsing. These problems have taken decades to build up, and really decades of a lot of leaders having neglect on the infrastructure.
He says while the new mayor is working to get millions in federal funding to re-engineer the aging systems, it'll be years before major changes will come. For now, it'll be smaller, more economical fixes.
And there's no really way to deal with 9 inches in a very short period of time, but we can process it better and we can be able to fix things to make so that it moves better.
For residents, it is a long-term goal that today seems very far away. What can you do in this?
Well, you can't do nothing in this here. Hopefully somebody can do something for us. Because I lost all my clothes was in the totes. We lost clothes. The flooring is coming up. Everything.
And tonight, the governor's office does tell me that it is waiting on a request from the South Suburban mayors for the governor to declare a state disaster area. That not only would free up state resources for those affected by this flood, but also have the opportunity for those FEMA funds down the road as well. In the south suburbs tonight, Sean Lewis, WGN News.